Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are back with our season of accounts. This is the first one. You can even check our channel's playlist for other subjects. So guys, this is Amit. So before going to the season, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. So let's start guys. In this video you will learn about the bookkeeping and accounting. That means the introduction of bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping is a branch of knowledge that reveals how to keep a record of business transactions. It helps to show the user how to maintain the book of all the business transactions which are expressed in terms of money, or all the monetary transactions which take place in the business are to be recorded in a particular manner with a scientific form that is known as bookkeeping. So according to R.N. Carter, he defines that the bookkeeping is a science and arts of correctly recording in the books of account all these business transactions that result in transfer of money or money's worth is known as bookkeeping. So finally we can say that the bookkeeping plays the main role in the business to record all the business transactions day to day to know the financial position of business. So guys, next one is accounting. Accounting is often called as the language of business because every business must maintain accounts, a particular book to know the financial position of business or an organization. The function of language is to facilitate communication among individuals in the society. Thus, as the same form, the accounting helps in communicating the financial information of an organization to various parties interested in it. So, according to AICPA, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants has defined the accounting as the arts of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money transactions and events which impart at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. That means we can say that to know the business transactions, the financial position of business, the accounts has some several process to give an output, to give an information to user about the business, about the organization, of its profit and loss. The accounting has several process to record the business transaction and to give the information about the business to the user. Those are identifying. That means the business required to identify the transactions from the several source of document to record in the books of accounts. Next one is recording. It's the function of accounting to keep a systematic record of all business transactions. And this recording takes place in the orderly manner soon after the occurrence in the journal entries or subsidiary book. Next one is classifying. This is concerned with the classification of recorded transactions so as to group the transaction of similar type at one place. That means in ledger. So to maintain the accounts of business, the classification must required. Next one is summarizing. Summarizing is the process of finding the total of balance of all accounts so as to prepare trial balance. The next one is analyzing. It establishes the relation between the item of the profit and loss account and balance sheet. The purpose of analyzing is to identify the financial strength and weakness of the business. So by analyzing in the books of account, the user can know the financial strength or the weakness, whether it is profit or loss of the business or an organization. It provides the basis of interpretation. So the last process of accounting is interpreting. It is concerned with explaining the meaning to establish the analysis. By interpreting the result, the user can take the correct decision in the business. It enables them to take correct decision. And to prepare these all accounting records of the business transaction, the accounting has a cycle. That is accounting cycle. It is a complete sequence of accounting process that begins with the recording of business transactions and end with the preparation of final accounts. So these cycles helps to prepare the transactions of business, and it helps to know the financial position of business, the profit and loss in the business organization. And these accounting cycle include journal. Journal means it is a book in which the accounting transaction is written in accounting term. It is also called as the book of original entry. The process of recording the transaction in journal is called journalizing, and the entry made in the journal is called journal entry. Next is ledger. It's the book which contains a classified and permanent record of all the transactions of a business. It's the main book which contains all the accounts in which the transaction recorded in the book of original entry. That means all the transactions which are recorded in journal entry are classified in ledger. Thus the ledger is also called the book of secondary entry, because the transactions are finally incorporated in ledger. Next one is trial balance. The trial balance is a list of all the general account. It records both revenue and capital. This account contains the name of each nominal ledger account and the value of nominal ledger balance. Each nominal ledger account will hold either debit balance or credit balance. The debit balance value will be listed in the debit column of the trial balance, and the credit value of the balance will be listed in the credit column of the trial balance. And the trading, profit and loss statement and balance sheet and other financial reports can be produced using the ledger account listed on the same balance. So the trial balance is prepared on the basis of ledger account. So through all this, the business reaches at the position to know the financial statement of a business, whether it is in the profit or at the loss position. So guys, you can check the PDF study material related to the topic in the description. So guys, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice time.